Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your address with Citi Bank, customer profile guide step by step clearly. To update your address with Citi Bank, begin by visiting the Citi Bank website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the profile section of your account. In the profile section, look for the option that says personal information or contact information. Click on this option to access your current address details. Find the Edit button next to your address. Click on Edit to make changes to your address. Enter your new address information in the appropriate fields. Double-check your entry for accuracy to avoid any mistakes. Once you have confirmed that the information is correct, click the Save or Update button. After saving, a confirmation message should appear, indicating that your address has been successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Citi Bank's customer service for assistance. You can also update your address by calling their customer service line directly. Be ready to provide any necessary identification or account information for verification purposes. Alternatively, you could visit a local branch to update your information in person. Make sure to bring an ID and any documents that may be needed. After updating your address, monitor your account statements to ensure the new address is reflected correctly. This will help ensure that you receive important communications and statements promptly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.